Hello, hi, and you are welcome once again to another interesting video, friends. As usually, today I'm back with a completely unique and interesting content. As you can see by watching my background, I'm in a place where I feel completely quiet, stressless. Everything is good around here in this place. So, sometime whenever I get free times, I come to this place and practice English by myself using my phone. So, friends, most of us try to learn English by staying in their village, but due to lack of practice they are not able to learn English. Lack of that kind of environment, they are not able to learn English. Most of us know English very well. They can understand, they can read, but when it's time to speak something in English, they get panicked, they get nervous. So friends, in today's video I will discuss something how to overcome fear of speaking in English and fear of making mistakes in front of the public or in front of a camera or in front of somewhere you are afraid of. So first of all, we have to overcome the fear of making mistakes. How to overcome fear of making mistakes? First do it. First try to do the mistakes. Then try to correct it. Don't fear. Suppose I am here and I am trying to speak something in English in front of the camera, and also I am nervous like others. You can see it by, you can watch it by watching my eyes. I am feeling nervous. Sometimes I know the word, but when it is time to speak something in English, I don't get that word in my mind. So I get nervous and I get confused. So friends, to overcome the fear of making mistakes, you have to be confident and try to do the mistakes, because mistake is not the opposite of success. Mistakes are the part of the success. So without making mistakes, you can't achieve your success. So try to do the mistakes, accept the mistakes, and learn from the mistakes. Then only you can speak, you can learn, you can achieve whatever you want and whatever you are afraid of. In my case, when I was a beginner, I used to afraid of speaking in English. Whenever I try to speak something in English, I get panicked and I get afraid. So then one day I decided anyhow I need to learn English. I started to learn by making mistakes. Also, I'm making mistakes nowadays. Whenever I try to speak something in English, I make mistakes. You can observe it by watching my videos. So I don't afraid of making mistakes. I know how to overcome fear of making mistakes. How to overcome the fear, because fear is the biggest enemy of our life. Whenever we want to do something, fear is the only one who pull us back. That's why I want to learn. I want to defeat the fear of making mistakes, fear of mistakes. That's why I try to keep away fear from me. I know those who are living in village, they don't have that confidence to do something unique. Most of the village boys don't have that confidence to do something unique, because they are living in an environment where they don't get that scope to improve their confidence. That's why they are afraid of doing something unique. So in my case, also I am a village boy and I live in village. Many times I get failed whenever I try to speak something in English, to learn English very fluently. But day after day, day by day, I improved something in me, and trying to correct if I made any mistakes, even if I don't get that kind of a scope in my village. But I keep trying to speak, keep trying to face the problems, the fear. This is how I usually learning English, by staying in my village. Friends, when I read English books, English stories, I can understand thoroughly the stories. the sentence. But when it's time to speak something in English, I get panicked, I get nervous. I know the word, but when it's time to speak, I don't get that word in my mind. So it's only because of lack of practice, because I don't practice every day. That's why I am making mistakes whenever I try to speak something in English. Many people are asking me why English is most important nowadays. I just trying to let them know that English is a global language. English is just like a bridge between you and the world. If you want to be connected with the world, then English is like a bridge between you and the world. So by learning English, you can connect with the world, you can connect with the people from different part of the world. That's why English is very important nowadays. If you want to have a job in a multinational company, or if you want to explore the world, then you have to learn English, because everywhere in the world everyone knows the English. That's why English is most important. I don't know what you people are thinking about the English, but in my case, I like to learn English very fluently. It's my childhood wish. Since my childhood, I wanted to learn English very fluently, but due to lack of practice, lack of that kind of environment or proper guidance, I could not learn it very fluently. I could not speak it very fluently. But now you can see I have improved something in English, and if I keep practicing like this, then one day will come when I could speak very fluently in English. So friends, if you really want to learn English very fluently, if you are enthusiastic to learn English, then don't fear to make mistakes. Try to practice with making mistakes, then only you can overcome the fear of making mistakes, then only you can learn it very fluently, because mistakes are the part of success, not the opposite of the success. That's why I always suggest you people to don't fear to make mistakes. So friends, take care and keep practicing. If I made any mistakes while speaking something in English, please correct me and comment me below, so that I can learn something from you. So friends, take care and keep practicing. Have a nice day.